Yeah, thank you. Who is this madman? She, you the mad me. How can you come to my live stream and be commenting this rubbish? Please, don't comment this rubbish on my live stream again. Sarah, no, I'm calm now, thank you. Mr. Osadebare from Benin City. I saw your gift, thank you so much, thank you. Thank you so much, thank you. Thank you for the love, thank you for the gifts. Thank you so much. She the whining.
Okay, madam. I don't cook finish.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Auntie.
Thank you for the gifts. Thank you for the gifts. Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Madam.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, please like, share, follow, and don't forget to follow our top gifters, please. Who are these mad people now? Commenting rubbish on my live stream. Let me just delete that one. Thank you. Who is this goat posting this rubbish on my live stream? Who?
Baby, sit out.
Thank you.
I'm leaving for work.
Thank you.
Babe.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Sarah, always asking the unusual question. Yes, that's my husband. Yeah, that's my husband. Thank you. Mr. Sass, no. You're very funny. Yes. Hi. Tap. Yes, gift me lion, gift me flowers. Tap.
Okay, madam.
Adekule, thank you for the gifts.
Okay, madam, me you bring this thing.
Thank you for the gifts. Thank you. Sarah, thank you. Thank you for the flowers. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the flowers. Thank you for the gifts. Thank you. Thank you, Sonia. I can see. Thank you. Please tap. Oh, they gifted me lion. Thank you. Adekule, thank you for the lion. Oh my God. Yay. Thank you.
Yapo, you come on your hand for if we see. Fun today go. If I give you this one, give you. Make it not come back again. The rubber lies. One produce big.
One thing about you, you two the verse.
Another verse now. Now me thunder. Be careful. Makwagaya.
Senior.
Take 1,000. What? My use and sell buy.
Like for the jump, 1,000.
See, matter no. Life hard. You dey look am. Now money, 1,000.
1,000.
I'm not fit buy anything now.
Okay. So, who be that one? Who be that now?
Come and open the gate now. Magnus.
The Magnus. How are you? Who be that? Who's the government Magnus? So. Now what does this stuff? So how are you?
I'm
You look.
fine.
You look beautiful.
No.
Good morning. Magnus.
So.
You haven't changed.
I want to change, but I don't know. No change for no. I don't change. Oh.
Although I missed you. You hadn't wait to Magnus.
I can't wait to now. Food now. Mother give me food small.
It's my sister inside.
That one. It's down. Tap. Let's go on. Like you guys, tap. Boys, tap.
Magnus, look, I don't have strength for you right now.
Welcome,
but
bro.
I'm very funny.
How does that now?
Fine.
You look beautiful.
Thank you, Magnus.
I hope that will later. Oh God. Hey, Inapala.
You dey quick verse. Now,
You know, Pala?
You dey quick verse.
Man, they go.
Okay, but I want to ask you one question. You give am this one. Give me this one. Where mommy?
You give me some. You give me. Anything. Is that our country? I say this one for 1 week. You say
1 week.
man no come again.
1 week, quoi.
1,000 and no this one now.
My son go finish today.
Congo.
Now.
Yeah, this one no go go anywhere.
Yes, Paul. Paul got so you want. Come here, pass.
Yeah, we'll go back.
The gun. That be. The gun. Nonsense. That be. Since son I don't come out this morning now. You got it done. So make come. You look beautiful. She look fine.
Thank you. Follow my top gifters. Thank you. Tap. Like, share, follow. Thank you so much. Sarah, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for the gifts. Follow my top gifters. Follow back. Thank you. Please follow back. Thank you. Aww. Thank you for the flowers. Thank you. Thank you for the flowers. Thank you.
Sister, good afternoon.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sister, I just came back from school.
Thank you. Office yourself inside. I'm busy. Go. Thank you. It's no one. Thank you. Thank you for the gifts. Thank you so much. Sarah, thank you. Olatunde, thank you. Osaigbofo, thank you so much. Okay. You're doing so well for yourself. Thank you. I know. Thank you. Mr. Lekon just gifted you a lion. Yes, I know. I'm so excited. Sarah gifted you with flowers. Yes, I know, Sarah. Thank you so much. Oh, Mr. Adebayo from US gifted you with some flowers. Thank you so much, Mr. Adebayo. Thank you so much.
This is my shoe. Where be that one? Play that, Papa. Eh?
Abo.
Sister?
Honestly, boy, anytime I see for this your uniform, and you get joy, my guy.
What happen?
I'm hungry, too.
You know, one thing, you too the verse. Why you the verse now?
Wait. Now money I go collect. Paul, I no get money.
Sir?
I no get money.
See, Mama say, we can no execute this place. I don't know whether you want to execute this place if you don't give us money. I know you want to do one more.
You know they pay me. Do they pay me for you day? As you dey like this now, you know what? You look yourself. You know I should work. You know I should. You know why I used to work?
Me, I never do. Give me food, my chop first.
You know they pay me the food and you know the enter. You can't stand like soldier. They find money. Man give food me you chop. You know if you work.
Wait.
Eh.
Your guy dey inside.
My God, you want to go meet him?
Make I shout.
Wait, no shout.
You know as they be now.
Send her money.
Eh.
Tell mama say I can't give money. Man, I dey go.
Lie. Na so it take talk the that time, huh?
Mama say, "Mo, no come off if you no give us money."
Bia, your own the 90 time inside me. See, when I was like Maliba, see you don't used to work, you know. I said, tell mama say I can't give you money. If I come now, I come now.
As this house big like this, brother, see where they work. Oh, take a look at yourself. See where they work. See how everywhere nice.
Whoa,
But I give us food, me we chop first.
You want tell me say never chop? I go raise.
I said, I'll tell no raise. If you raise, they'll choose us.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell mama say I come. No. No money.
Nah.
I'll come.
Nah.
Bros,
J.
Oh. Come back for evening.
They
No.
give me joy. Oh.
come back.
See if I say bang the door.
Yeah.
This time your guy and you go open the gates.
Okay.
You know, give me back.
Maga,
Right, see now. They
I
quick
know,
they quick bro.
they go now.
Me pelu gates. Wait, me open and I.
May that brother put for
No
you.
verse. Senior bro.
Yeah.
Oh, your level they give me
my
joy.
brother. To mamu kwa gidi. She no bro. No the same. No the same. Breadwinner for na family na get man. Me amaga who senior. Let me say hey do they see me. My brother. Get man. Breadwinner of the family. You see they happy. To mamu cool. Thunder. Ow! I like bukunu there. Every day money.
Thank you so much. Sarah says she likes my hair. Thank you. Mr. Osas, thank you. I saw your comment. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. I love you guys. Thank you. Susan from America. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. Sonia.
Sister, this is no longer funny. Since an hour you have been on this phone, on live stream. Even your maid told me that you haven't eaten since morning. I can't even notice me. You're still here.
Sonia. And you have the guts to end my live stream. Are you mad?
Yes, I'm mad.
Are you raving mad?
I'm mad. Come and eat. I'm really mad. Come and eat.
Sonia!
Brother.
Sorry.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine.
And how long have you been around?
About 3 hours.
So did he even place a call across to let us know you were coming? Why?
No, not like that. I told my elder sister that I was coming.
But she didn't tell me about it.
Maybe she's
Okay.
just busy. Brother, there is something I want to tell you. I came today and I saw your wife on live stream doing tap, touch this, touch that, and I even went inside. I finished eating. An hour later, I came back. I still met her on that live stream. I was angry. I ended it.
Sonia, on that note, she's my wife. So I don't think anybody can talk to her. So just let her be, please.
Jesus Christ.
She's inside, right?
Yes, she's inside.
Alright, do you need anything so I can please call across to get something for you?
Just fresh juice.
Juice, as in to add barbecue as well.
Oh, thank you.
Alright.
This one is so nice. Sister, wake up.
guy too sabi sing. No, you know what? Tell anybody saying I mean teach you that song now. You just blow leave me. You understand? If you see my baby, you can shut up. Oh. My baby too fine, no baby against baby nano. Or tomatoes. Oh my baby, oh. Sleep it at in bow. Oh baby.
Caroline,
Yeah?
you're here.
Yes, yeah.
Did you see my wife?
Yes, but I see.
So where is she?
She live for that side.
Please, call her for me. Tell her to meet me upstairs, please.
Okay.
And be fast about that.
Okay.
Thank you.
I don't really hear where you find your wife. So I don't spoil my son. If not like this, I carry teach the video for never blow. I go come madam for you now. What to do?
Today, I move again.
Come, madam.
Yeah?
Okay, they call you inside.
Go and attend to him.
Eh?
Go and attend to him.
Okay, madam. You say make I attend to Oka by myself?
Are you deaf?
Oka say me.
Go on, meeting! Can't you say I'm busy?
Okay, madam. I don't hear. Man, go keep am waiting in it. Man, they go.
So, how are you? Still awake?
But I really want to go and sleep now.
Alright, well, talk tomorrow morning,
Bye bye.
okay? Alright. Sonia. 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 Sorry, I have to wake you up. Sorry. Please, can you help me clean my shoes? Sorry.
Okay, brother. I will clean your shoe.
Yes. So once you're done, just help me to bring them to my room, okay?
Okay, it's fine.
Alright.
What about my sister?
She should be somewhere doing TikTok as usual. Hmm? So please help me to clean the shoes, okay?
Okay. Clean your shoe for you.
Alright.
Okay. Clean your shoe.
Alright, please.
Okay. I'll clean your shoe.
Okay, thank you for coming to my live stream. Double tap your screen. Double tap. Let's take these likes to another 3,000 likes. Keep tapping. Let's share me gifts. Thank you. Thanks for the flowers. Guys, double tap your screen. This is my kitchen. This is my kitchen. Tap, 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 tap. Thank you for the gifts. Tap, 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 tap.
Hey, can you just move to one side? I want to get the one from the fridge.
Thank you.
Babe, please.
Thank you, Sarah. Thank you.
Give me some space. I want to get the one from the fridge.
Double tap it. Keep tapping. Let's take this like to the next level. Keep tapping.
Babe,
Yeah, thank you.
please.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. This is my kitchen. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Double tap. Tap, tap, tap. Double tap it. Double tap your screen. Double tap. Yes, let's take this like to another 3,000 likes. He's my husband, I'm sorry. Although we please. Yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you. Please like, share, hit the button. Yeah, hello. Which one is baby? How are you? I'm not fine. I've been calling you since now to subscribe this internet in the house. You are not taking my call. The internet now, nothing is working in the house, and you know I need to go on live stream today. Babe, just send it now, please. I'm begging you, please. Yes, I love you. Okay, the love of my life, my baby, my darling husband. Oh, the king of my heart, the crown over my head. Oh, my darling, my baby, I love you. Oh, yeah, just send now. Let me just go on live, please. Okay. This man will not just stress me.
Sister,
Hey, how are you?
can I talk to you?
Yeah, you can speak. Oh, hey, network.
Can I at least sit?
Yeah, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. Sit. How many? Hey, just 2 coins.
Sister, I know you like TikToking. You like Facebook, you love Instagram, you love being online. You love doing all those things online. There's nothing wrong with it. It's fine. But don't you notice it's actually affecting your marital life? The
Will you
distance between
shut
your...
up your dirty mouth there? Are you alright? You came to my house to tell me about marriage?
But
Just stand up and go back to your room. Get out! Go to your room.
at least think about it.
You go and think about your education. Auntie, Narita, this one. I don't blame you. You came to my house to advise me about marriage. Go and think about your studies. When you get to this bridge, you also cross it. This man should send this airtime now. Why don't you subscribe this thing for me?
Sonia, I hope you're enjoying your holidays.
I am.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm really enjoying myself.
Sure, that's good.
Sir, can you imagine? Our botany lecturer just came to meet me. Like they were just like discussion. People have been saying that this man do have a thing with his student. I didn't believe that. So he just recently just came up with um Sonia, if you know that you want to really pass my course, you need to pass before you pass my course. Since it's the 4 unit
He
course.
wants you to boycott or what?
You know the thing now, pass. Before I can pass this course.
Look, Sonia, what I'll tell you is read your books before your exams, and once your exam comes up, you just try and do the needful. So if there's anything, just try and let me know. So know what to do. Yes, I'm don't be worried about that.
Yeah. I'm alive. Tap, 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 tap. Tap.
Sir, like one.
Follow and like and share. Tap, 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 tap.
Live stream. Every time, live.
Sonia,
Tap what?
it's okay, please.
Thank you for the gift.
Once it come up. Oh, God.
Yeah, follow my top gifters.
Sonia.
Okay. Tap.
And you are really
Tap, 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 tap.
Like I said,
Tap.
I will talk to person about this. So just try and read the books and you know what to do. Okay? And meanwhile, I made the promise, right? I'm sure fulfill it.
So you remember?
Sure.
Where's my shawarma?
Once I leave here, I'll place the call across. They'll bring it for you.
Okay.
Are you good now?
This necklace is looking nice on you.
She actually got it for me. Yeah, that's one other good side about her.
My sister has good eyes for gifts.
Sure. You can say that again.
What kind of network is this now? All my fans are here waiting. His Wi-Fi have started. Oh.
Sweetheart, how are you?
I'm fine. Please, I'm looking for network. Please.
Babe. Please.
Hey, just go. I'll come and join you. I'm waiting for network.
Babe. Stop doing this, please.
Hey, I'm looking for network, please. Just go. I'll come and join you.
Babe, please. I'm horny. Can you just stop the live?
Oh, where is this network now?
You can go inside.
You go. I want to go on live with my fans. Just go, please. Tap. Sorry, guys, for the network. I'm back. It's good to have you back. Please tap, like, share, and follow. Thank you. No, it's nobody. Thank you. Please follow my highest gifters. Tap, tap. Tap.
Sonia, you're still awake?
Yes, brother, I'm still awake.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
It's okay.
Like, really? My sister is sex starving you?
Sonia, you overheard us talking or what?
Yes, I live in this house. Obviously, I heard that.
Sonia, I won't lie to you. I'm getting tired already. I'm tired.
See, I understand. I understand everything you're saying. You are really trying. Like, imagine, I can't even imagine what she's really doing to you. I know you are bearing everything. You are just being calm, being kind. You are one of a kind. You are just rare to find. You being starved with sex, and you are not bringing a lot of girls into this house. You are still there. Like, I know you are trying. Please.
Do you like those feeling songs? Many people that do sing. Eh?
Caroline. Hi, madam. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Don't mention.
You were singing. All of a sudden you saw me and you kept quiet. Is everything okay?
No, I just want to greet you face before I continue.
First.
My fine madam.
Caroline,
Nah?
please, I want vegetable soup
Okay.
with plantain.
Okay.
I think that will be all for
Madam, that one no be problem. Anything for you, my madam.
now. Okay.
I'm at your service.
Okay.
But madam, I don't want to tell you something.
Caroline, what is it again?
Madam, I want me to put your eye for crown for this house. Eh? Now you get this house, but you stay here like stranger. Eh? You know they do like say now you get this house. Madam, see, I want me you put your eye for crown. Me you check Oka, your sister. Even me, I don't give a care. Check me too.
Caroline, what are you saying? What are you saying? Can you make sense? Let me understand what you're saying. Give me a good sentence. What are you saying?
See, madam, what it mean is that you should put your eye for crown. Make something not go spoil for your bag or you get why? You get why?
Oh, okay. I think I get it. You are saying I should be watchful of my husband, my younger sister, and you.
I'm support.
You are mad. I think you are mad. So you started smoking something.
Sorry, madam.
Sorry for yourself.
Madam, I want to tell you another thing.
Caroline, what is it again?
You know this thing for me. You know this thing. Every time they tell you something, you know this thing for me. That's the problem.
What is it again?
Madam, I just say I ask you, say why you know the tap.
It's that tap that will tap you today. Go and make my food for me.
Oh, my sweet madam. Yeah? Then get my madam.
Caroline, please bring my food.
I will bring them yours now, right? ASAP. And they bring your food. Then get fine, madam. My madam, now your maid. Nonsense and ingredients. Manus, you don't get everything that happened for this house. See, this thing where they tell you, Mama, see, they pain me. It pain me. Madam no sabi do anything for us apart from that phone when they carry up and down. And my mind, they tell me, say, the thing where husband and wife suppose they didn't know they feed you. Now that is sister and they boka. My mind, they tell me, my mind, they lie for me. That girl, they do something.
You know one thing? I know if they talk again. If I can know if he talk. I know if he talk. Maybe get man, I'm not going to talk. No talk. God of Jesus.
Now, madam, union sister where they stay the house. 9 years they. It will like yeast. I swear to God, they pain me. What kind of young sweet guy now? Why you go to suffer that kind of suffer? Eh? What kind of supposed to suffer that kind of suffer? You understand? Now, young sweet guy. If you talk to madam I gotta call you tap. Madam, I want it tap. Madam, I want come on tap. I don't understand again.
See, what is that your name? I don't talk and say thunder. Go fire you.
Manus.
Oh, babu you. You go get the organ tap. Let me to conclude me. Shut. Let me to conclude me cook. When you consign you consign cook the organ tap. You consign you. Nobody fit talk. Me, I no fit talk. Say your own now. Not just go. Cook. Come make a chop.
Manus, na food go kill you.
You say?
I say na food go kill you.
You kill me.
Otabia 15 naira go solve your problem. Very stupid person. I dey tell you, say, Oka dey suffer. That young sweet guy dey suffer. That woman no dey do anything for him. Oka younger, Madam younger sister don't take over. Eh? My mind dey tell me say something dey what's up for that house. I dey tell you something. I dey tell me food. Na so food you sabi. Come and get away.
I was you to go cook, come give me. I did my own.
I don't blame you.
My chop as a gate man. I focus on my gates. Open and close. Get shiny.
Na that kid na him go kill you.
And go and cook for my chop.
So food. Go chop rat poison.
Come with chop.
There go. So food.
You say?
Go chop poison.
You say?
Let me tell you poison.
Go cook come oh. Tam. Cut out we ban. Tam. Pama.
Sorry. How are you?
I'm fine.
Like, I hope you enjoyed it.
You have strength, oh babe. But do you think this thing that we are doing is right?
I don't get it. If what we're doing is right, of course. Are you afraid?
It's not right. Me and you making out, you being my sister's husband.
Sonia, can you just allow this whole stuff go that way, please? Don't talk about it again. Don't be afraid. Why are you afraid? I can handle it. Yes. Are you good now?
I'm good.
Okay.
You have all this strength that I need. You just wanted to shift my room, you know that.
Of course, I can't do that to you. But I'll always satisfy you.
Where did you get those strengths?
You know what? I can't disclose that to you.
You're a bad boy.
You can't say that again.
It's actually getting late and I need to go now so your wife will not come looking for you.
Sonia, can you just chill? Please. Are you not enjoying this moment? So what are you saying? Why are you complaining? Wife. Can we just go over and over again? Yes.
Hello, Sarah. I'm fine, oh, Sarah.
Okay, madam. Okay, then say I need help. Madam, okay, need help.
Sarah, just hold on. What is it, this woman?
Okay, need help, madam. Okay, then shot, scatter it, destroy it, kill
They
me,
go help me
everything.
to destroy it now.
Madam, I no understand. Now you go feed
Please
help.
go, just go. Maybe you saw a rat or cockroach or lizard.
Madam, I dey hear sound.
Just go and meet him. Please, why am I paying you? What am I paying you for? Just go, please. Just go. How many lions?
Okay, madam.
5.
Oh, God. Madam, okay, need help.
5. Oh my God. Miss Sarah, you're lucky. 5 lions. My maid, I be my chef, I be cook, I be what they call them. I employed her and paying her. Obviously, my husband saw cockroach or lizard upstairs and he's saying, kill it, scatter it, destroy it. And she's here coming to tell me. It's a lie. They gifted you 5 lions. Sarah, you are joking. 5! Ah, babe, I envy you. You're getting the bag of gold. Oh.
Sweetheart, you're here.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, thank you. Follow, like and share.
Baby, should I'm leaving for work?
Okay, have a nice day, baby. Mwah. Oh, baby, have a nice
Okay,
day.
can you just check me out? How do I look?
You look perfectly fine. Very beautiful. Thank
Can you just take a look at me?
Ah, you look good, baby. Hi.
Am I good this way?
Yes, my love. Yes. You look perfect. Very perfect. Very perfect. You look very... Ah! Mr. Osas, good morning. Thank you.
You are going to work,
Yeah,
right?
Thank
sure,
you
sure.
so much. Thank
You
you.
know the
Thank
weather
you.
is cold and you going out like this is not appropriate. So
Sonia, I'm okay.
now you just need a little touch up.
So what do you want me to do?
Oh my God! Just
Fine.
gifted me a gift.
Just thank you. Wow.
Oh my God! I feel like crying. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Am I good
Thank
now?
you.
Yeah.
Thank
You're good to
you.
Thank you.
Oh.
Thank you.
Have a nice
Alright, just care of yourself. Baby, I'm leaving for work.
Okay, baby, I love you. Yes. Please like and share. Like and share. Oh.
I'm not sure someone can
Hey, stop it now. There's nobody coming. Why are you afraid? I always do that. Just choose the kitchen. No, now.
Where the kitchen? Just
Sonia, this Gary, why did you tie this Gary? You always tie Gary like this. You drop it here when you are through, right?
okay.
Do you understand? Always do it that way and then make sure you get me the tea.
Okay.
Okay.
What?
Yeah, how are you?
I think say na me dey
Eh?
cook. Na me dey cook now.
No, I want to tell you something. No, nothing serious. Sonia, please help me with the tea.
Oh, okay.
All right.
No problem. I'll put water on fire.
What? I don't understand. I don't cough again. I better let me cough in peace.
You make the tea yourself.
Eye where they work, leg where they work out fast. Eye where they see fast, they see I'm do. Nonsense and ingredients.
What's wrong with this guy now? Just imagine you. Oh gosh. Sonia. How are you?
I'm fine.
What is it? Why is your face like that?
I'm fine. Okay.
You don't look okay.
I want to go and visit my mother in the village.
Sonia, in as much as you want to go see Mama in the village, but it's not time for you to leave the house. Why? Why are you afraid? What are you afraid of?
I will resume school from there. You don't need to worry.
Look, Sonia, please, I beg of you. In as much as you want to go see Mama, I need you here in this house. Please. Don't leave.
Baby, because of you.
Just do it because of me, please. I beg of you. You know you're my peace of mind. You know I love you. So please, stay back.
Okay.
Thank you.
No problem.
Just go inside, please, before my wife comes here. I love you.
Sonia, you said you wanted to speak with me.
Yes, sister.
Okay, I'm listening.
Sister, I want to go back to the village to go and visit Mama. My body is just telling me that Mama is not that fine or sound. Let me just go and visit her. I want to go and visit her in the village.
Sonia, which of the mama are you talking about? Is it my same mother that I spoke with Paulinus' phone yesterday? It's not the same mama Paulinus is taking care of in the village you want to go and see? Or you have somewhere else you want to go to?
Sister, it's not like that. It's not the way you are taking it. I just want to go and visit Mama in the village. I just want to go. I just want to go and visit Mama. Let me just go there. Don't worry, I will pass that place and resume school. Let me just go and not.
When you were coming here, you told me and my husband that you want to spend all your holidays here. From here, you resume school. Then when is this sudden change? When did this sudden change came to your mind?
I'm just...
Sonia, just go inside, please. I don't have time for this, your early morning wahala. I'm busy.
Sister, I want to visit Mama. I want to go and visit Mama in the village.
My mother is fine. Maybe you have another mama you want to go and see. Just go inside. Maybe you want to go and do all those your pia. You want to go and visit Mama.
What about if I go and stay 1 week now?
Please, just go, please. I want to reply to my messages. Don't come and be disturbing me here. Yes. I want to go and see Mama. I don't know which of the Mama. Because my mother I spoke to yesterday. She's fine.
What is it?
I'm not fine.
I've noticed some changes from you for some time now. So what's happening?
Don't you notice? I'm pregnant. And the worst thing is that you are my sister's husband. What people say?
Sonia, leave that to me. This is my house, for crying out loud. It's my house. I'll handle it. Don't be scared. Yes, please. You know I love you.
Okay, madam.
Oh, Caroline, what again?
You get what I want to you.
Caroline, what is it now? Can't I rest in my house?
Stand up, make you sit down. What is why? I tell you, say, okay, they shall destroy me. Oh, kill me, finish me. You know they answer me.
Caroline, please, if you have anything to say, just say it and go. I did not sleep all through last night. You yourself, you knew that I was live streaming. If a guy was saying destroy, it wasn't on the car. Maybe he was killing a rat or a cockroach.
I don't care if you don't know. Okay, they knock your sister. Make I even tell you the worst one. She don't catch belly for Oka. As I'm talking to you now, she's on her way to 9 months journey.
Caroline, you mean my younger sister is pregnant for...
Oh, yes. pregnant for me. As a matter of fact, I owe you no explanation on that. You are the originator.
My sister is pregnant for you.
Yes.
How can my sister be pregnant for you?
I owe you no explanation on that. And I will warn you for the last time. If anything happens to her, you have yourself to blame. If you're not okay with it, get your bags and leave this house. And I must warn you for the last time. If anything should happen to her, you have me to contend with. Rubbish.
Sonia! Sonia! Sonia, pregnant in my house. Sonia! Sonia. Sonia. I cleaned you up, Sonia. I paid your school fees. Sonia, I gave you shelter. I bought you clothes. I feed you. How did you even pay? How did you pay me back? You have the guts to open your two dirty legs. And you slept and got pregnant for my husband. Sonia, how dare you?
How don't you dare? Don't you? I warned you. I complained. But you refused to adhere to my warnings. You just want to be on live, on TikTok, Instagram, be there. You want to be on live stream. Your husband was lonely. Even in this house, he was still lonely. Publicly, he was lonely. In your marriage, you were absent. You were not present. You were just online. You left your husband. What were you expecting? What? What did you expect him to do? Smile? Come on live stream with you? You left him in that state. You see whatsoever that has happened? You take responsibility of all! Take it! Don't call my name again! Excuse me.
Sonia, I cleaned you up, Sonia. Sonia, I clothed you. Sonia, I gave you shelter. Sonia, I even paid your school fees. This is how you pay me back for everything that I did for you. You did not only choose to sleep with my husband, Sonia. Sonia, you got pregnant. Sonia, you're pregnant. You're pregnant for my husband. Sonia. You know what? You see this house? You see my husband? You can have them. I will leave.
Sister, I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry. I didn't mean for all of this to happen. From my heart, I'm very, very sorry. You don't need to leave. I'm the intruder here. I will leave. My bags are set. I'm ready to go. You don't need to go anywhere. This is your husband's house. I'm very, very sorry.
Sonia.
I'm sorry.
Sonia, this is how you choose to pay me.
Nobody leaves my house. Yes. Nobody leaves my house. I paid your bride price and I paid in full. I gave you love. I gave you money. I gave you attention. But all you did was to just shut everything. Why? Be busy with your TikTokers. Busy with Facebook. You toyed with my emotions. And then you are crying. Why? You are crying. You have no right whatsoever to leave my house. You gave me this advantage to do all this. Why? Why did you do all this to me? Why? I gave you attention. But all you did was just to play with my emotions. Be busy with your TikTok. And now you're crying. Why? You don't need to cry. I gave you love. I loved you right from the very first day I paid your bride price. Even before that day, I loved you. I gave you love. All you did was to give me distance. And you are crying. And Sonia, you can't leave my house either. You're carrying my seed inside of you. I can't allow you to leave my house. Nobody leaves my house! You're still here?
Tap.
Just imagine what you're doing. You're tapping from your sleep.
Thank you for the gifts.
Come on, let's go inside. How are you, darling?
I'm fine.
Welcome.
Good afternoon.
Are you good? How are you doing?
Fine.
Come.
Sonia,
Sister, good afternoon.
when did you get here?
Not quite long. I just came in.
Are you good?
Sonia, are you pregnant?
Pregnant? How?
Babe,
But you just came in now.
don't tell me you got Sonia pregnant.
I don't understand.
Me pregnant? How? You?
I just came out from the room.
When? I'm just coming back from school.
You're not pregnant.
No, I'm not.
Are you sure?
Sure. Pregnant? Who gave? No, I'm not pregnant.
I'm still alive.
Brother, please, I need to go inside. Let me
Go
go
inside,
Rest.
Look, I've always warned you against this, what's it called? Social media stuff that you always do. But you don't listen to me. Now it's giving you mental issues. Just imagine what you just accused me of. It's your sister.
Baby, I saw. She was. I saw her.
I least expected this from you.
I saw her. She was pregnant for you.
Where?
In my dream.
In your dream?
I'm sorry. Please, babe. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry, please.
It's okay. It's okay. Can we go inside now? Oh, let's go inside, okay?
Baba answer me, yeah. Answer me, yeah. Baba answer me. Baba let my helper they find me. Answer me, let my helper locate Baba answer me. Baba let my blessing follow me. Answer me, Baba let your blessing follow Baba me. Answer me, all I seek is your mercy. Answer me, make my helper they find Baba me. Answer me, Baba answer me. Answer me, yeah. Baba answer me.